Hello and welcome to Sketch Together. This is part of a series on Sketch Basics, and on this session we're going to learn about a really cool plugin that I use a lot, and it's called Dynamic Buttons plugin. Sometimes you want to create a button that is a little bit larger. The copy is what is going to tell the size of the button of the background. So this plugin is pretty handy, so let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so let me tell you about Dynamic Buttons. Dynamic Buttons is a really cool plugin that you can download. And yeah, so it will allow you to do buttons that are dynamic and then they change the size depending on the copy that's inside and also the padding that you put on it. So before anything, let me tell you about how to install plugins. So as you can see here, there's a menu that is called plugins, and then you can create your own, and also you can install from other creators. So one really cool tool for plugins is the Sketch Toolbox. So I'm going to go Sketch Toolbox, and this is the app, and you can download it. Just search for Sketch Toolbox or go to sketchtoolbox.com, and you can download the app and install it. And once you have it installed, then you can search for any plugin that is available via GitHub, and it will install it for you. So I'm going to go ahead and search for Dynamic Button, and as you can see, there are three Dynamic Buttons plugins, and the one that you want to install is this one that says Sketch Dynamic Button 3.5. This one is a little bit old. It has more stars, but it hasn't been updated in a long time. This is the one that you want to install. So once you can just install it here. I already have it installed, so it says uninstall. So once you have it installed, you will see it here on your plugins menu here as Dynamics Button 3.5. And so there's also a custom keyboard shortcut for it that is Command J. So let's see how it works. So as you can see here, I created a dynamic button with a text that is continue. And if I just press that one and I change the text that says, I don't know, let's go amigos, and well, nothing really happened, right? You would expect the background to change, and that's pretty easy. You just press Command J and automatically will dynamically will update the background for you. And how did it do that? The magic is here on your layers list. The layers list, the text layer has this weird thing, these weird numbers. And the thing here is that it's telling you the padding around your text layer for the background layer that is right here, and it's inside this group that is a dynamic group. So if I were to change this, so instead of 16, let's say that I want it to be, I don't know, just so we can see the difference, 36, and on the this is, I think this is the top, and let's see, 36 here, and now press Command J, and yeah, it works like CSS, where this is the top, right, bottom, and then left. It works exactly just like CSS you would expect it to work. And if you wanted to change, you know what, instead of 36, let's do it just 6. It's gonna look a little bit weird, just like that. And just pressing Command J, it will automatically update it. And for example, let's go only, and then press Command J and automatically update it. Let's do the same here. And let's go ahead and do it from scratch. So I have a text layer here, and let's change it to continue to next lesson. And I'm going to press Command J in that text layer, and it automatically added a background, and it created a group. And now I can edit it. By default, it gives me 0 in the value, so I can just change it to 16, oops, sorry, 16, semicolon, 16, colon, and 16, and then press Command J and automatically. And then also the background, I can also select the background and change the color of it. So I can, you know what, this is red, and the text is going to be white, and that's cool. You know what, let's just continue. Command J, and automatically does it for me. So yeah, it's a pretty cool plugin. Try it out. And so yeah. Oh, also let me show you how it looks when you do it again. So for example, this one is a different button. It's like hello. Press Command J. See how even for tags or for buttons, I don't know. It's a really cool plugin that I'm pretty sure you're gonna find it really useful.